Hello, today I would like to show you how to change your keybind settings in Myth of Empires. To change your keybinds, simply open Settings, then navigate from System Settings into Key Settings. Right here you will see many different modes that you can customize. You can change your keybinds for navigating on the ground, while swimming, navigating, fighting in the battle. You can customize your shortcut bar, change your camera settings, your voice settings, ergo push to talk, your panel settings, your warrior settings, and your mount settings. When you're happy with the choices you've made, the changes you made, simply press confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.